Introduction to Appointment Slots in Google Calendar.
Google Calendar's Appointment Slots feature lets you set up bookable time blocks for meetings, office hours, or consultations. This tool is especially useful for teachers, advisors, or anyone who needs to schedule time with others efficiently. Let's explore how to create, share, and manage these appointment slots so others can easily book time with you.
Creating appointment slots.
To start, open Google Calendar on your computer. Click on any time slot. In the pop-up, choose Appointment Slots. Enter a title, pick the duration of each slot, and select your time range. You can also customize details and add a location if needed. Save your changes, and your bookable slots will appear on your calendar.
Sharing your appointment page.
After creating your appointment slots, you'll see a link to your booking page. This page displays the available times for others to book with you. Copy this link and share it via email, your website, or a message. Only people with the link can access your booking page, so you control who can reserve time.
Managing bookings and notifications.
When someone books an appointment, both you and the attendee get calendar invitations. Booked slots are automatically removed from your availability, preventing double booking. You can cancel or reschedule appointments, just like any other calendar event, and all participants are notified automatically.
Tips for effective use.
Consider setting rules, such as buffer times between appointments and limits on how far in advance someone can book. Check your notification settings so you never miss a booking. Appointment slots are available only from a computer, not the mobile app. For ongoing needs, recurring appointment slots can be set up for repeated availability.